Hi, I am Subramani here. I like to want to project to focus about elevation, the building elevations, how it looks, and what all we need to do it. See, I have done it this way. Cladding tiles for 4 floors, total 5 floors. In that 3 floors I use it as a cladding tile, outside cladding tile. Apart from that, again texture work, have done it all the white areas, whichever the walls you're seeing apart from the cladding, these all are texture works. Texture works, and since you may have seen that designs which is do it in the cement, white cement and textures, that is all the designs you get it, whatever the designs are there, that designs you can do it as per your elevation. All the design will not suit for every building, depends on the building designs will change. So you can use it as this elevation in the different part. Wanted to contact for that services, structural services, painting services, cladding, everything, elevations. Even if you are completed a building also, you can tell us. We will change and give you as per your designs of the building, present building. We can change your new building. Even the renovations also is possible. If you're liking up any kind of a cladding, you should refresh your building and replace something material point of view. Anything can be add up, SS railings or MS railings or cladding, painting, designing changes, gate design changes, everything we do along with that. So we will give you new look of building if you are contacting us. If you are really having that kind of mindset, so we will definitely help you regarding that. Since it is a new building, this looking like this, in the same looks we can also give you in your old building, which is 20 years, 30 years building of old. We can also give you is a new fresh looks as for the new look. Contacted us. I am Subramani. Below numbers will be given and descriptions. You can read more descriptions I give you, and even I'll attach you the designs also, structure designs, all that you can have a look. Thank you.